Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in Photoshop, I'm going to tell you how we can convert any white objects into black objects. So in this particular example, I'm going to show you how we can convert a white shirt into a black shirt. This may sound difficult, but it is actually quite easy to achieve this. So let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to select the shirt using the quick selection tool. You can use any selection tool that you feel comfortable with, but make sure that the selection is proper, otherwise the output won't look that good. So I'm going to select this. Some area is remaining over here. So using the polygonal lasso tool, I will select the remaining area. Making a proper selection is very important, or that will affect the output. So this looks pretty good to me. Now once I have selected some area over here, maybe, okay, this looks good to me now. Now once I selected the area, I'm just going to press Ctrl J, or if you are using Mac, then Command J, to duplicate the selected area or to copy the selected area into a separate layer like this. Now using the levels option, we are going to achieve our goal. So you can do that by two ways. Either you can use image adjustment and levels from here, or you can use the adjustment layers from here. So right now I'm going to use the adjustments layer because it will give us more options. So levels, and since I only want to affect this layer 1, I'm going to clip it first. So right click and create clipping mask. So it will only affect this layer and not the background. So after doing this, I will just briefly explain what is the levels panel, or how does the levels panel work. So if you look over here at the bottom, there are 2 points. So this is the black point which controls the maximum darkness. So this is the maximum darkness we have in this particular image, and this is the maximum brightness. So this denotes maximum brightness and maximum darkness. So we have set it to the extreme values right now. So if we move this, so this will increase the darkness and decrease the brightness, and this will do the opposite thing. This will increase the brightness and decrease the darkness. So in short, these two values define the maximum darkness and brightness. Now these 3 points are, so this black point is called as the shadow point, which denotes shadows. This one denotes highlights, and this one denotes midtone. So quickly I will tell you, the darkest area in any image is called as shadows. The brightest area in any image is called as the highlights, and the area in between the two is called as the midtone. So these 3 points represent those 3 properties. So using these options, I'm going to convert this into a black shirt now. So I will slide this one first. So this is already looking black, but the contrast is missing. So to achieve the contrast, we are going to move these 3 points. So I will move this. So as you can see, this is looking pretty realistic to me, the black color. So again, if you are not happy with the result, if you want a darker shade, you can always move this slider like this. So I am happy with this value. So as you can see, this is before and this is after. So it is this easy to achieve our goal in Photoshop using the levels option. So we have converted a white shirt into a black shirt. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.